Okay.
So could you tell us what you're cooking now?
Bitte?
What are you cooking?
We're cooking tomato soup, mostly vegetable soup. It's going to be awesome.
So here are the vegetables.
Yeah,
Wow.
some of them. You can put it all, I guess.
No, we will wait a bit. What you do for the chunk? We'll wait a bit.
But then we cannot fry
Yeah, we can take that. It's really tiring for my hands. Maybe I should say that one and you say the
Carrots are not really soft and also tasty. Yeah, and it will be like
Then you can have stereo sound.